Good morning, students. How are you all? Fine? Okay, fine. Yesterday we were talking which chapter, which lesson we were discussing yesterday. We were discussing about which lesson. Can anyone tell? Yes, you are telling me. Yes. Which lesson we are discussing? We are discussing about the singular and plural forms. What we are discussing about? We are discussing about singular and plural forms, and yesterday I told you there are some words where we have to add only s, normal s. There are some words where we have to add es. Which words? The words which are ending with o letter, the words which are ending with sh letter, the words which are ending with ch letter, the words which are ending with normal s letter, and the words which are ending with x letter. For such words, what we have to do? We have to add es. Third rule which we studied yesterday was the words which are having y at the ending. Which letter at the ending? Y. And before y, if there are vowels, which are vowels? There are 5 vowels. Which are those? A, E, I, O, U. There are how many vowels? There are 5 vowels. A, E, I, O, U. And if the words are having y letter at the last everywhere, and before that vowels are there, what we have to do? We have to add only s. For example, K, keys. If I want to write A, R, raise. Now I is not there. Some another vowel I will use. O, then B, O, Y. So normally what it will become? Wherever vowels are there before y letter, for those words, what we have to do? We have to add only normal s. Understood? Have you understood? And there are some exceptional cases. Exceptional म्हणजे काही शब्द एकदम वेगळे आहेत, like piano. For piano, what you have to do? You have to add normal s. The words like photo. For normal word photo also, what we have to do? We have to add only s. Now there are some more rules which we are going to study today. See here. Just now I have explained you. See, by changing first one here is by adding s to the singular. Second one by adding es to the singular form of nouns ending in o, s, sh, ch and x. Correct? That was second rule which I told you. Then third one, however, there are some words which end in o and forms plural by adding normal s, like piano, kilo, photo, photos. And then yesterday we did this question, write the plurals of the following words, right? And today we are going to study these 2 types of pictures. Now by changing y to I and adding es to the noun that end in y. Okay? Lady, ladies, baby, babies. However, for nouns that have vowels, however, for nouns that have a vowel before the y, only s is added. What is done? I told you, if the words are having vowels before y letter, that time what is added? Normal s is added. What is added? Normal s is added. The examples are key, keys, toy, toys. Correct? Next thing, there is a second question in your book. I would like to show you that second question. See here is second question. Question number 2. Give the plural forms of the following. Okay, I have written answers also. First one is puppy. Second one is chimney. Third one is day. Fourth one is party. Fifth one is lorry. And sixth one is ray. Now these all words are mixed. हे सगळे शब्द कसे आहे? हे सगळे शब्द मिक्स आहे. कुठे एस जोडायचा आहे, कुठे ई एस जोडायचा आहे, कुठे आय ई एस जोडायचा आहे. अंडरस्टूड? तर आपण ते शब्द करणार आहोत. ओके. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. गिव द plural forms of the following. Give the plural forms of the following. First one, P-U-P-P-Y, puppy. Second, chimney, chimney. Third one, day, day. Fourth, party, party. Fifth, lorry, lorry. Sixth, ray, ray. We have got 6 words, and now these all 6 words, what we have to do only, we have to write down plural forms of these words. Now any plural form it will be, some places it will be s, some places it will be es, some places it will be ies. That I am going to tell you now. Okay, now first one is puppy, puppy. Okay, when the words are ending with y letter, what we have to do, we have to change y to I. So I am changing it. Puppy will change to y, I am going to change to I, and I am going to add es. So what this word has become, it has become puppies. What it has become, it has become puppies. Next one is chimney, chimney. मी तुम्हाला आत्ताच सांगितलं, जर वायच्या अगोदर वॉवेल्स असले तर आपण काय करायचं आहे, नॉर्मल एस जोडायचं आहे त्याला, समजलं. तर वायच्या अगोदर ई आहे का, ई काय आहे, ई हा वॉवेल आहे की नाही, AEIOU, ई काय आहे, वॉवेल आहे, तर मग काय जोडायचं आहे शब्दाला, नॉर्मल एस जोडायचं. तो हा शब्द काय होणार, चिमनीज. ओके, नेक्स्ट वन इज डे, DAY, day. In this word also vowel is there before y. In this word also what is there, vowel is there before y. So what we are going to write down this word, DAYS, days. Understood? Are you able to see? Can you see answers? Yes. Fourth one is party. Fourth word is what, party. Now PART. Now y च्या अगोदर vowel आहे का, no. T is what, T is consonant. So what we are going to do, instead of y we are going to add I and we are going to add es. So what this word is going to become, it is going to become parties. Fifth word which is given over here is lorry. Now lorry, before y vowel is there or what, no, R is not a vowel, it is a consonant. So what we are going to do, LORR, y we are going to change I and we are going to add es to it, over lorries. Correct? And the last word which is given in the example is RAY, ray. Y च्या अगोदर vowel आहे का, हो आहे madam. Correct? If the vowel is there before y, then what we have to do, we have to add only s to the word which is there in the example. I think you have understood this much. Next question or the next rule which is given in the book is, see, like this it is. I will just read for you and I will explain you. By changing f and fe to v and adding es to the nouns ending in f and fe. काय सांगितलं आहे, बाय चेंजिंग एफ काय करायचं आहे, एफ आणि fe ज्या कोणत्या शब्दांना शेवटी कोणता लेटर आहे, एफ लेटर आहे आणि fe लेटर आहे, कोणते दोन लेटर्स आहेत, एफ आणि fe लेटर्स आहेत, तर ते दोन लेटर्स काय करायचे, चेंज करायचे. कशाने चेंज करायचे, व्हीनी चेंज करायचे. इथे बघा एक्झाम्पल दिलेले, लिफ, LEAF, लीफ. नाउ लास्ट लेटर इज व्हॉट, एफ. इन्स्टेड ऑफ एफ व्हॉट वी हॅव टू राईट, वी हॅव टू राईट डाऊन व्ही. मग आपण व्ही लिहिलाय का इथे, हो, येस, व्ही इज देअर. अँड आफ्टर रायटिंग व्ही, व्हॉट वी हॅव टू डू, वी हॅव टू ॲड ES. What we have to do, we have to add ES, and there is another word in front of you, that is knife, KNIFE, knife. FE हे शेवटचे दोन लेटर्स आहे, कोणते दोन लेटर्स आहे शेवटचे, FE, राईट. मग FE लेटर्स काय करायचे, वी वॉन्ट टू चेंज, वी हॅव टू चेंज दिस FE लेटर्स टू V. So it is changed to V, yes, and then further you have to add ES. What you have to do, you have to add ES. Now keep in mind, if the words are ending with F and FE, the words are ending with F and FE, you have to remove that F and you have to remove that FE. Instead of F and FE you have to write down V. काय लिहायचं आहे, F आणि FE ऐवजी V लिहायचं आहे आणि ES जोडायचं आहे. त्याला काय जोडायचं आहे, अजून ES जोडायचं आहे. फॉर एक्झाम्पल नाईफ, FE knives, correct. Leaf, leaves, VES, leaves. In this way we have studied yesterday we studied 4 rules, and today we have to change F and FE. Instead of F and FE we have to write down V and we have to add ES. This much is understood to you. And on same question there are some examples on same rule, correct. F काढायचं आहे आपल्याला आणि V जोडायचं आहे आणि ES लावायचं आहे त्याला. असे किती एक्झाम्पल्स दिलेले आहेत, 6 एक्झाम्पल्स आर देर, and that 6 examples we are going to study in tomorrow's period. Have you understood singular and plural, where to add S, where to add ES, where to add IES? थोडंफार तर समजलं आहे की नाही? I think you have understood. And keep in mind, you have to keep in mind, अरे it is Y, no, then only normal S we have to add. It is Y, but then before Y what is there? Vowel is there. Then we have to add only S. Y is there but vowel is not there before Y. Then what we have to do? तो Y काढायचा आहे आणि I लावायचा आहे, त्याच्याऐवजी I जोडायचा आहे आणि ES लावायचं आहे त्याला. In this way we are studying the singular and plural nouns. Please try to understand. If you are not understanding, you show this video to your parents and tell them to help you. Okay, now we are not there face to face, otherwise I would have given you lot of examples in the class, but it is not possible to give you many examples as I am at my house and you are at your house. Okay, remaining part of the lesson we will study tomorrow. Thank you.